Namaste, darlings. Today we're going on a $20 shopping challenge in Delhi, India. Our mission is to make an outfit from head to toe in about an hour.
We're gonna be going to do some shopping here at the Janpath Market. That's round 1. Round 2 might be the Khan Market. We'll see how things go. I do have 1,500 rupees. That's approximately $20 US. Now we're beginning at the intersection of McDonald's.
Here you'll find colorful clothing, Tibetan jewelry, hookah, and more. My personal weakness are handicrafts, so this shop speaks to me.
All stuff Gujarati, Rajasthan.
How much is this white bag?
1,350.
That's $350. Oh, that one's machine made and that one's handmade.
Yeah.
There are so many options for saris and scarves and just clothes. It's just a full line of them. People call out to you. They're like, look at this, take a look at this bag, take a look at this sari. So I'm gonna be tempted to buy all sorts of things today, like these necklaces. There are actually a lot of beautiful things, but I do have a limited space in my luggage.
Walking north towards Connaught Place, we pass by more clothing shops. Keep in mind you may come across fake jewelry and knockoffs.
There's some pairs of shoes that I really liked. I'm wondering, like, is the price he called out, is that a reasonable price, or was he charging more because I'm a tourist? I can't tell what is a good rate here. Some dresses. Oh no, this might be promising. These are on sale for 200 rupees each. Let's see if there's something here we could get. This is 350 rupees. It might go well with some pants. I'm trying to decide between these two colors. I'll take this. For that shirt, I haggled it down to 300, which leaves us with how much money left? 750 left. Now we're looking for pants to complete the basic outfit. There's a store called Nice on Girls. Do not disturb. I'm already disturbed. I'm very...
We encounter a line of tented stalls.
Ooh, I like that shirt over there. Here it says fixed price. No bargaining, please. I was recommended by some locals that when someone tells you a price to cut it in half and a little bit lower and then meet at the half. But every situation is going to be a little bit different. This stall sells not only clothes but also books. There are a lot of people walking around and just bringing the stuff to you. They're like, do you want these glasses? And then they will tell you the price. Sometimes if you walk away, they cut down the price for you. You don't even need to haggle. I'm hoping the shoes in the stalls are cheaper than the ones in the store. And I'm fancying these golden ones. Originally it was $550, but haggled it to $450. I'm so tempted to bump up my budget to $30 US. We started with 20, so let's stay committed.
But your size is okay.
It's a little
One
small.
size stretch. No, no, one size stretch.
So they didn't have a size that was a little bigger, but I'll just take it because we're on a time crunch and we're on a budget crunch. And I love the colors of this. It's fun. We're gonna go through the security window. There's a dog.
With limited time left, I'm searching for pants or a long skirt. I see food ahead, but must stay focused.
I'm gonna get this dress for 245 rupees. I have 505 rupees left, and I'm thinking, why don't we get a scarf? We just passed by the store, it gave me the idea. Look at these tassels on this. This is very nice too. Okay, we have to find one that fits the rest of the outfit though. Then for the bottom, this cool teal for the top. I don't know if it should be very colorful or neutral. I'm still debating on that. If it's red on red, it might be too much, huh? Those ones have little tassels. They're like scarf nipples. Maybe this white one looks good too, huh? Well, if I wasn't buying a full-on outfit, I really like this one.
So many options, but limited time and budget.
So the scarf I wanted was over 700 rupees, and I only have 500 rupees left. So I got the yellow one. Back at the hotel, and my skin is dewy from the sweating. And now we're gonna try out the whole outfit, put it together. By the way, we were under budget by 5 rupees. Makes Christmas sounds. Nice jingles. Oh, I see. The part that tightens your waistline, the ends have bells on it. Now some of these strings are popping out. I'm gonna have to clean that up with some scissors later. Let's put on our shoes. So colorful. And then we have the scarf. Look at the details. The little flowers threaded on there. The ends, we have tassels, blue and nearly neon pink. Oh, I'm gonna tuck this in. had these on the couch, and I bought these yesterday for, I think it was like altogether 140 rupees. More bells.
There are many more places to go shopping in Delhi. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse and got an idea of some things you could take back home. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. For food and travel in Korea, check out my other channel, Sweet and Tasty TV. To relax at night, listen to ASMR Bedtime with Miss Mina. We read, crunch, crinkle, and more. In the sunset's gold. Toodles, my noodles.
It's interesting, the vendors left their shoes on the end of the sidewalk and then climb onto there with their bare feet. Do you hear that? There is thunder in the distance. Monsoon season is just around the corner. I'm starting to feel some sprinkles. Earlier today it was raining. Some handicrafts. As you can see from my glasses, the sprinkle level has upgraded. So it's raining more and more. So what they're doing is they're throwing ropes across with water bottles attached to one end and setting up their tents. Everybody's securing for the weather. By the way, you guys, a little tip. You know the rickshaw? You know the three-wheeled vehicle? So the hotel staff was warning us that sometimes the drivers will overcharge. That I already knew, but the specific things they might say is, oh, there's a road closure, we have to go another route, and if they take you a longer route, it's going to take you longer to get there, and they will charge you more. And what happened is when we got into the tuk-tuk, what they were telling us was there is a protest going on in that area. Would you like to go somewhere else? The driver kept asking us, do you want to see this? Do you want to see that? Like, where you want to go only sells electronics. If you want to see like clothing, you have to go somewhere else. And I just kept insisting. You have to be insistent. You have to be persistent and be like, no, this is where we want to go. And I kept saying, no, this is where we want to go. He kept saying, go somewhere else. I said, no, this is where we want to go. And finally, when we dropped this off, there was not a lot of electronic. It was actually a lot of clothing and handmade stuff. So you just gotta be careful. Not all drivers are bad. Some drivers do really have good intentions, but I'm just telling you like what you need to watch out for. The tuk-tuk that took us to the Janpath Market, they charged 40 rupees. But then the driver from Janpath Market to here, he kept saying like 100 rupee, and I was like, no, I paid 40 to get here around that exact same spot. So I was like, no, I paid 40 to get here, like I'm gonna pay you 40. And then he said, okay, no, 80. And I was like, okay, 50. And then he kept saying 80 and 80 and 80, and I said, okay, fine, 70. So we decided 70 rupee. And then later, when I was getting off the ride, I was like, you know what, okay, I'll just give him 10 rupee tip. And then he said, no, he didn't accept it. He was like, no, we said 70. He didn't try to take extra. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to tell, like, as a tourist, as a foreigner, like, what is a normal price, what is way above the average, or what really is a good deal.